Hi, I'm Sherry from Jaunty Everywhere, and today we're going to make a grilled ham and brie sandwich with an iron. Now you might be asking yourself, why would I want to cook with an iron? Well, if you travel a lot, restaurant eating can get very expensive, and we just plain get sick of it. Now most hotels come with a microwave and a refrigerator, but that limits your possibilities. If you add cooking with an iron to your tool belt, you can make a much wider variety of meals and some excellent meals. For instance, you can cook steak with an iron, you can cook tuna steaks with an iron, and chicken cutlets with an iron. We're going to be doing a series of iron cooking videos, so check our playlist for more videos coming up in the next few weeks. So what you'll need to get started is an iron and an ironing board, of course. I like to cover the ironing board with a towel just to protect it. You'll need some foil. For this recipe, I like to use sourdough bread. You'll need brie, 1 apple per 4 sandwiches, and a container of horseradish cream. This cream says that it's hot, but it is not hot at all. If you just hate the taste of horseradish, you can use plain mayonnaise. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is turn my iron onto the hottest setting and let it heat up while I get ready. Okay, so here's my sheet of foil and my bread. Start off by putting a generous amount of horseradish on the bread and spread it around. And then I'll add my brie. And I found that about 3 slices is just right. Then I put my 1/4 of an apple on. I keep the peeling on, but it's a matter of preference. I also put the apple in the middle on purpose so that the moisture doesn't soak through the bread. Now for this sandwich, I'm going to use ham, deli ham, but you could also use turkey, roast beef, or whatever looks good at the deli. And of course, to make a grilled sandwich, you need butter, which I forgot to mention at the beginning. So I'm going to take a generous pat of butter, put 1 on each side. Lost 1 of my apples. There we go. And then I will make a packet with the foil. You want to fold it so it's well sealed. This sandwich isn't going to make a lot of juice, so we'll be fine. But if you're doing something like steak, you'd want to make sure that you sealed the edges very well. But I also only want 1 layer of foil over the sandwich so that it cooks evenly. So then I'm going to take my iron, make sure it's on, set it on top of the sandwich. This is very similar to the way you would make a panini. Now I practiced this a few times, and these sandwiches need approximately 4 minutes on each side. So I'll cook the one side on 4 minutes, then I'll flip the sandwich over and cook the other side for 4 minutes. Now irons have a safety feature that causes them to shut off after 20 or 30 seconds. So that's great if you're trying not to burn down the house, but if you're cooking with the iron, it means that you're going to have to stay nearby and monitor it. My iron beeps, but typically hotel irons won't beep. You'll just hear this click when they turn off. And you just have to tip it up and put it back. Okay, so we've been cooking this for 4 minutes on each side. Now let's open it and see what we've got. Oh, nice melty cheese. Voila, beautiful. Browned on both sides perfectly. We've tested this with gluten-free bread also, and it works great too if you need to eat gluten-free bread. And there's our grilled ham and brie sandwich.